I am writing this equation 2an plus 1 minus an square equals to 0. Let us divide this by an plus 1 both sides. Then this will be an plus 1 by an minus 2 minus an by an plus 1 equals to 0. Now the next, suppose this L, so this will be 1 by L. So our equation becomes L square minus 2L minus 1 equals to 0. From here we get L equals to 1 plus minus root 2. But here you see positive real numbers, so we have to take the positive. So the valid L will be root 2 plus 1. This is the valid. Now you see that L is this thing, that is an plus 1 by an is L, and we got L as root 2 plus 1. Now putting n equals to 1 in this, we have a2 equals to root 2 plus 1 into a1, and you see in the question that a1 is 1. Here you see a1 is 1. Putting 1 you get this root 2 plus 1. Now putting n equals to 2, you get a3 equals to root 2 plus 1 into a2. If you put a2, this value here, then this will be root 2 plus 1 whole square. So an will be root 2 plus 1 to the power n minus 1, because here you saw that here was a2, so we got 1 here. Here is a3, so here is 2, 1 less, so here is n, so here will be n minus 1. This can be again changed as 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1 to the power n. Now according to question, we have to find this series, sum of the value of this series an by 3n. Now in extended form, this will be 1 by, we can place the value of an from here. An is 1 by root 2 plus 1, and here will be root 2 plus 1 by n to the power 3 to the power n. This thing you see, this is a geometric series with common ratio lying between 0 to 1, because root 2 plus 1 is less than 3. So we can use sum to infinity for geometric series, and for this series the first term is root 2 plus 1 by 3, and the common ratio is the same, root 2 plus 1 by 3, and you know simplification of this will give us 2 minus root 2. Further, this can be simplified as 1 plus 0.707. This will be 1.707. So we got 1.7 approx. And if you see this 1.7, then in all options this is the interval in which 1.7 lies. So A is our correct option.